Hi, on this video you will learn how to use Gutenberg editor to edit your site. Here I have created some Gutenberg page to show you how this editor works and how to edit website when you use this editor. Here we have the title of page. We can type something more here, for example, click update, and when we refresh the site, you will see the title was changed. Next we have some paragraph, some heading, paragraphs, image, 2 columns, button and text. And if we want to edit some text, just click on cursor in the place you want to add some extra content and you can type, no problem. Also, when we select some text, here we have the extra tools tab, and we can, for example, change this paragraph to heading. Now we can select by the heading H1, H2, H3, etc. So here we can change the headings. Here we can select the alignment, bold, italic, or make some link of this selected content. For example, we type about us and we linked this word to the about us tab. Now we want to change this element back to the paragraph, so we just changed the heading to paragraph. It looks better for now. Link is still the same. And it is the one thing we can make around here. Here we have the created the heading, so here we can make what we did above. So just change this. All this content is created in blocks. This block is the first one, this second block, the third one, etc. When we click on one of these blocks, we can take it and drag and drop in the place we want. So in very easy way we can change the order of blocks. Here we can also click on these arrows to move this element up and down. Okay, so it's very easy. What's more around the for example paragraphs? When we are editing this block, here on the right side you will see that it is paragraph block. Here you can change the size of font, for example, to make it bigger. Here you can change also the text color, so it's very easy way to change text color and text background, for example. Okay, this one will look better, for example. Okay. And in advanced tab we can make some HTML anchor or make additional CSS classes in here. When we update this page and refresh, you will see that we have the changed text in very easy way. The same we can make about heading, so change the font size, change color of text, change color of background, or you can add some custom color from hex tab here. Okay, better. So in this way we can edit this. Okay, what else? We have some image blog, and in here we can change this image tab to gallery, for example, or something else. We can change alignment, for example. We can link this image to something. Here below we can type the caption of this image, and we can replace the image for another one. For example, we can select new image from media library or upload it from our computer. So we can take another one and image is replaced. Here we can also make the rounded corners of this image. Okay, here we can type the alt of text, image size, or type here the size in the pixels, for example smaller one, or in the percent size. In advanced tab we have title attribute, HTML anchor and extra CSS style. When we selected this default style rounded, automatically was added CSS class in here. Okay, so it's all around image blog. Next we have some columns. We can create the content in columns like this one, and in here we can edit one column and second one. How to create columns in Gutenberg. When we want to add some new part of content, for example here, just click this plus icon with add block, and from the all tools you have here to use, you have paragraph heading, list, block quote, code, etc, etc, images, or in design section you can select columns, for example, and here is the variation of columns. Let's take 3 equal columns, and in here we have the plus icon to select some tool to add content. For example, normal paragraph, we paste content here, in the second one the same, and in the third one let's make the same. In this way we have created 3 columns with the same text. Scroll down and here you see this. For example, we think that this content have the small space in here, so we want to add some extra space in here. Just click the add button and find in here spacer tool. Just drag and drop it in the right place. Oh, maybe add it here. Sometimes it's difficult to find this right place, but in here we have the spacer tool. What we can do, we can duplicate it and move down below here, and here in the options of height of this spacer we can change this height as we want. In the top we had 50 pixels, so let's have the equal sizes of these spaces, and after refresh you will see that spacer is in here. So in this way you can create an awesome content in a very easy way, and your website will look much better than from classic editor, for example. Okay, in here we can add once again some image. Here we can duplicate it, and let's try to move this element on the top of this column, and here we can once again click duplicate, drag and drop in here, update. In this way we have 3 nice blocks with image and text below. And for example, we want to add some button below these elements. How to add button? Once again click plus. In the tools you will find the button. Here is some button tool. Let's move it. Maybe it will work. Yes, perfect. We have this button in here. Here we have to type the text on this button. For example, learn more. Here we can paste the link. For example, contact us, and button is linked now. And now we have the styles of button we want. We can select by fill or outline button. In color settings we can select the text color, for example this one, and the background color don't looks good. Let's take some better colors, maybe this will be better. Okay, next we have the border radius option. and we can make without radius or with some radius. Here we have with setting, and we can have button, for example, full size. Let's make without radius, and then we have link settings, open in new tab or no. In advanced we have the same HTML intro and additional CSS classes for this element. Okay, so when we have created buttons, we can update site, refresh, and below we have the button to click to and go to the contact page. Very easy, in my opinion. So in this way we can create the content of this page, and in this way also you can edit the content of pages. So it's very easy, I think, and very nice. When you are not happy with design you created, you can select all of this content and delete it and remove update site, and all content was removed from your site, and you can start from the bottom and create new content in here. For example, in this way, it's too long, and maybe add new paragraphs in here. Enter paragraph, for example, one new extra image from media library, link with default style, and below new sentences, update, and our new page is designed like this. Thanks for your watching.